Hello everyone, welcome to this installment of Chicken of the Month. I hope you all had a nice June. And June gave us two very nice black and white roosters. And perhaps I should have paid more attention to this bonus rooster. This is an Old English game, and they're quite a rare breed, and I don't think we've ever seen one on Chicken of the Month. We did have a couple in real life. Unfortunately, a little too long ago to have pictures of them. We had a rooster called Custard and a hen called Whitey. Can you guess their colour schemes? Anyway, this rooster actually reminds me of that hen. Quite a stern, angry looking bird. In any case, very nice to see. An unusual appearance. But it is now July, so we need to move on. There we go. It's no surprise to see a Polish crested in Extraordinary Chickens. And this is a very nice specimen. Quite unusual colours here. Sort of reddish and white pattern. Of course, the Polish crested, a very showy bird. Very nice. And for our bonus here, we have some sort of rooster. Let's check them out. So yes, a Harlequin Polish crested and an Andalusian rooster. Very nice big comb and wattles there. Quite a sleek body. So, thank you all for watching. This has been a very showy bird for Chicken of the Month. And I will see you all in August.